So a bird decided to fly down the stove, the chimney here, the wood stove. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's... I don't know where it is. At least I hope it's a bird, not like a friggin' bat or something. Trying to get it down. Fuck. So I need a blanket. I'll get a towel. Getting a towel. Oh, this is going to suck. So yeah, I don't know why the bird decided to fly down the oven, its stove, but I got my towel. Holy shit. I think it's a rat. Oh my god. Scared the shit out of myself. Alright, I need to put the camera down so I can try to get this. So, oh, this is gonna suck. Okay, it's actually a bird. It looks like an oriole or something.